guys, if you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do gear reviews, beard product reviews. So today I had a company reach out to me and ask me to do a how-to video with their beard grooming kit. So that's what we're gonna do. So first off, this is what it comes in. Now I'll be doing a review of this, a full review of this later on, but here is the kit. And what you get inside is a 1 ounce tin of balm, a boar's hair bristle brush, a comb, a bottle of oil, and a carry bag. All right, so the company is the Bearded Barber. All natural. So the way to use this, you get pretty much a starter kit. You get everything you need to get going. So first thing first is take your comb. You want to go through, start with a good clean beard. Go through, get it brushed, or combed, excuse me. Get all the stuff out. Then you want to take your beard oil. Anytime you use your beard oil, you want to give it a good shake. And then for me, with the length of beard that I have, I use about a half a dropper. So we'll come in here. All right, so I've got it in my hand, if it'll focus. All right, I'm gonna rub it in. And then for me, come in from the bottom. All right, so now once we have our beard oil in, this stuff smells so good. This scent is, this is the only one they carry. It is an orange scent, and while that soaks and absorbs into my skin and my hair, I will tell you what's in it. Tea tree oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, aloe, and orange oil. You really get a good scent of that orange in there. So now that we have our beard oil in, I like to take my comb and come through just to make sure it helps spread that around and get all through my beard, making sure to hit that mustache too. And using a good comb is good to help with the skin, breaks up any of those dry skin particles, gets it all in there so that beard oil can soak in and do its job. So now you want to wait just a few minutes, let that do its job and soak in. So we'll be right back. All right, so now that our beard oil has soaked in and absorbed like we want it to, we're gonna come back with the balm. So I always get a little over a fingernail size portion. And I'll show you this beard oil, our beard balm is a yellowish tint. Ingredients in this are yellow beeswax, shea butter, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, cedarwood oil, vitamin E, rosemary leaf extract, lavender oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, sweet orange oil. So that's the ingredients of this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that, get it rubbed in, emulsified. That's what we have. And then come over the top. Hit that mustache. Now you really get a good smell of that orange. All right. So now that we've got our beard balm on the outside of our beard, let's go ahead and close this up. Now we're gonna take our brush, our boar hair bristle brush, and use this to kind of shape it, get it how we want it. You can always come back with the comb if you need to kind of style your mustache any and come in. This goes great in your pocket, so you have it throughout the day if you need to just touch up. But so that's using the kit, and then you have your carry bag. So if you were going out of town, whatever, you can put all this in here. And now you have your beard kit in your travel bag. So, any questions? I will have a full review of this company coming up in the near future. It is the Bearded Barber. I'll drop links in the description below. This was just a simple how to use this kit. This is the box that it comes in. You can pretty much trash that since you have a nice carry bag. So, any questions, drop me comments in the bottom, and I will put links to all of this in the description. So, as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, have a good one, and God bless.